How to install LiveChat on website? Installing LiveChat is simple and only takes a few minutes. Once installed, you'll be able to talk to your customers right away. Install LiveChat using a JavaScript code snippet. If you haven't already, sign up for a free, 14-day trial, no credit card needed. Once you've created an account, follow these steps. 1. Log into your LiveChat account and go to Settings, rightward arrow, Channels, rightward arrow, Chat widget. 2. Then, click on Copy Code. 3. Paste the code to your website source code before the /body tag. 4. Once you've successfully added LiveChat code to your website, refresh the page. You should see a chat widget in the bottom right corner. Have any issues with the installation? LiveChat support heroes can help, and are available 24/7. Install LiveChat using integrations. Running your website on platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or BigCommerce. We've got you covered. LiveChat offers detailed setup tutorials for just about any CMS, web builder, and e-commerce platform out there. Here are some of the most popular ones: BigCartel, BigCommerce, Drupal, Facebook Messenger, Google Tag Manager, Joomla, Magento 1, Magento 2, OpenCart, PrestaShop, Segment, Shopify, Weebly, WHMCS, Wix, WooCommerce, WordPress, Zencart. Not what you are looking for. Visit Marketplace to see more third-party integrations. Once you are there, use the search bar to find the web host you're reusing. All integrations come with a step-by-step tutorial, which you can also access from Marketplace. What's next? Customize the chat widget so it matches your site's design. Read more about our easy-to-use chat widget configurator. Play around with greetings. Increase the number of incoming chats by setting automatic invites. We call them greetings. Watch a product tour. Learn the ins and outs of LiveChat from people who use it every day. Watch a product tour video. Read our handbook. Check out Agent's Handbook that quickly explains essential LiveChat features. Hit https://lc.chat/66d4k and get yourself started with LiveChat.